Okay. Woo, peace and quiet now. Out on the Buriganga River. Woohoo. All of a sudden, it started sprinkling, and I was like, it feels like somebody's like spraying water from a hose on us. Then I looked over, and the river is getting hit with rain, so it's raining. Awesome. And it's nice and cool now. Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks for visiting Bangladesh.
Hello, thank you. Hello. Madness. Madness.